Okay, good morning, class. Our topic for today is all about the debits and credits. I am your teacher, Chari A. Ibanez, your class advisor. Okay, before anything else, let us all pray and for peace and harmony. Amen. And now, I am going to check your attendance. So, very good. You are all present. And now, our first activity is the four peaks and one bird. I know that you are all familiar of this game. So I will read the instruction. The teacher shows four pictures and the students guess what is the word. So are you ready? Okay. So the first picture is anyone who can answer this picture. Very good. Your answer is correct. So the correct answer is economic. So the next picture is, okay, who can answer this picture? Anyone? Okay, very good. So the correct answer for this picture is cash. So the next picture is, who can answer this picture? Anyone? Very good. So that is the correct answer. Debt. So our next activity is analysis. I will read the instruction. Let the students watch a video clip presentation about the debits and credits. Before the video presentation, let the learners define the unfamiliar terms by matching the column A to column B. So here are the column A and these are the column B. And now we are going to match the column A and the column B. So what is your answer? Okay, very good. That is the correct answer for column A and column B. Perfect. And now, we are going to watch a small video clip about the debit and the credit. So I am going to read the instruction. After the students watch the video, the students will answer the following questions. Okay, thank you for watching the video, class. So the first question is, number 1. What is debit? Anyone who can answer this question? Very good. That is the correct answer. So debit is an entry made of the left side of an account. It either increases an asset or expense account or decreases equity, liability, or revenue accounts. For example, you would debit the purchase of a new computer by entering the asset gain on the left side of your asset account. So that is the correct answer for number 1. Let's proceed for the question number 2. What is credit? Who can answer this question? Very good. That is the correct answer. Credit is the trust that lets people give things like goods, services, or money to other people in the hope they will repay later on. Example: banks will often let people borrow money through a credit card or a line of credit in the hopes that person will pay it back. The bank will usually charge interest. So that is the correct answer for question number 2. And now let's proceed to question number 3. Okay, what is the difference between the nominal and real accounts? Anyone? Who can answer this question? Very good. That is the correct answer. The real account is a general ledger account relating to the assets and liabilities other than people accounts. The nominal account is a general ledger account pertaining to all income, expenses, losses, and gains. So that is the correct answer for question number 3. And now let's proceed to question number 4. Give examples of normal balances of debit and credit. Very good. That is the correct answer for the question number 4. So the normal balance of assets is debit, and the normal balance of liabilities is credit, and the normal balance of capital is credit, and the normal balance of withdrawal is debit. Okay, that is the correct answer for question number 4. Now, we are going to the activity number 3, the game of debit and credit. I will read to you the instruction. This activity will allow the learners to deepen their understanding of the topic in identifying the debt and the credit. Let the teacher group the students into two. The first group is the debit group, and the second group is the credit group. Each group has two stations which consist of different tasks. Every group must choose one representative to discuss their output to the class. Okay, do you understand about our instruction of the game? Very good. And now I'll present to you the rubrics of the class. Okay, these are the criteria. First is the ideas. Second is the presentation. Third is collaboration. And last is timeless. Okay, for station 1, the proper accounting mindset. The learners analyze the proper accounting equation based upon the given problems. For station 2, classify normal balances. The learners identify the normal balances of the given accounts. For station 3, the purpose of debit and credit. The learners list at least 5 purposes of debit and credit. For station 4 is journalizing. The learners will journalize the given transactions and identify the debit and credit. Okay, each group will present to the class based upon their learning experience. In each station, they will have to share their knowledge to the class and after they for station 1, proper accounting mindset. The correct answer for station 1 is accounting equation. Asset equals liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay, that is the correct answer. For station 2, clarify normal balances. So the correct answer for debit, cash, assets, salaries expense, inventories asset, tax expense, prepaid supplies asset, and drawing. And for credit, payables, accruals, notes payable, accounts payable, and capital. So that is the correct answer for station 2. Next, for the group 2 is the credit group. For station 3, the purpose of debit and credit. So your answer for debit is used for a value of transaction. Debit is the first account to be recorded. It's always placed in the right side. And for credit is the source of value of instruction. Credit is the second account to be recorded, and it's always placed in the left side. And for station 4 is journalizing. Very good. This is the correct solution for journalizing for station 4. And now for the activity 4, we have the Venn diagram. I'll read to you the instruction. This activity will help the learners to apply their learning about the topic. The teacher scrambles the words on the table and asks the learners to paste the words that show the differences and similarities between debit and credit on the Venn diagram. So this is the sample about similarities of debit and credit. So for debit value received, increase assets, increase expense, and increase drawing. And for credit, value parted with, increase liabilities, increase sales, and increase equity. That is the similarities between debit and credit. And now, I am going to evaluate you all. So the learners will be given a 5-item multiple choice quiz. You'll write it on the 1/4 sheet of paper. So the first question is, it is the potential of an asset to contribute either directly or indirect of an entity's cash. So anyone who can answer this question? Very good. That is the correct answer. Letter A, economic benefits. For the question number 2, what is the accounting equation? Anyone who can answer this question? Very good. The correct answer is letter B. Asset equals liabilities plus equity. That is the correct answer for question number 2. Let's proceed to question number 3. Value parted with. Who can answer this question? Very good. That is the correct answer for number 3. Letter A. Credit. For the question number 4, value received. Who can answer this question? Anyone? Very good. The answer of question number 4 is letter B, debit. For the last question, question number 5, classify normal balances of debit and credit. Anyone who can answer this question? Very good. That is the correct answer. Letter A. Debit asset drawing expense, credit sales liabilities, and equity. And now, who got the perfect score? Wow, everybody got the perfect score. And now I am going to give you an assignment. Our activity 5 is my wish list balances. You can ask the learners to cut out at least 5 sample pictures of debit and credit. Paste it on the picture on the short bond paper. Remember, you take the credit, we process the debit. And now, let us all stand. Goodbye, students, and thank you for your listening. Bye.